Hi everyone, my name is Akorede Adenike. You are welcome back to my channel. I really want to say a very big thank you for you, my new and old subscribers. I really appreciate you so much. Thank you. In this tutorial today, I would like to teach you how to cut and sew reversible bonnet with hair wrap. This is the fabric I'm using. This is the satin and the ankara fabric that I'm using for the tutorial today. So here is it. I have 22 inches by length and by breadth. So I'll just fold it into two like this, and I'm going to fold it again into two, making into 4 places. So I'm going to cross check my measurement whether it is accurate or not. I'm supposed to have 11 inches here, then 11 inches here. So let me fold it on this side. So this is it. This is the open edge and this is the folded edge. Let me just turn it like this. This is the folded edge and this is the open edge now. So I'm going to measure 11 inches all around from the center here, connect it and cut it. 11 inches, cut it off just like this. Put it aside and fold the satin fabric into 4 as well. Make sure you make all the markings on the wrong side, please. Place the ankara on it, let it align on each other and cut it as the same. If you have more than this fabric, you can make your own cap bigger than this. You will measure 12 or 13 inches around before cutting. So place it on each other, let the right side face each other, please. And if you want to stitch on it, make sure the satin fabric is on the top and stitch with 1/2 inch all around. I'm going to leave 2 inches here because that's where I'm going to bring it out. I'm done stitching with it all around with 1/2 inch. Make sure you always trim all the excess fabric and thread to make your job neat. So I'll continue notching it with 1/4 of an inch. So after notching like this, I will now go ahead and bring it out from the 2 inches that I left open here. So I'm going to bring it out. I'll bring it out and I've ironed it, as you can see. I'm going to measure 1 inch round from the edge now to create casing for my elastic, for my 1/2 inch elastic that I'm using for it. So I'm going to measure that 1 inch round now. You can see me doing, I'm measuring that 1 inch round. I'll now connect it round just like this. Make sure you be careful while connecting to make your job neat and accurate. So I'll go ahead now to my machine and stitch on that line all around. Done stitching, as you can see. I had to use the black thread for you to see it very well. So I'll now go ahead and cut the amount of elastic that I need. I'm going to measure my head before cutting it. So my head measurement is 22. I'm going to measure that 22 and cut it now. So I don't need to add any seam allowance to it because it's an elastic. So with the help of the safety pin, I'm going to insert it inside the casing that I made for it. So I'll have to insert it like this and make sure you hold it. You hold the elastic for it not to get inside. Hold it for it not to get inside. I'm done inserting my elastic, as you can see. So I'm going to remove the pin and place the elastic on each other like this with 1 inch, and I'm going to stitch on it to secure it. I'm going to stitch on it very well to secure it. Now I'm done stitching my elastic together, as you can see. I'm going to pull it inside like this. So this is the opening that I made. I'll just top stitch on it like this. That's it for the bonnet. And as for the head wrap, I have 41 inches folded into 2 here. Altogether will be 82 inches, and the wideness of it is 9 inches, as you can see. So I'm going to open it up and fold into 2 at the edge here, at the tip here, and measure 2 inches. inward. So I want to shape it. I don't want to leave it like this. I'm going to shape it slightly like this and cut it off. I'm doing the same thing on the second tip of the head wrap. Measure 2 inches inward, shape it slightly and cut it off. Just like this. So I'll now go ahead and stitch with 1/2 inch from here till I reach the center. I'm going to leave about 2 or 3 inches at the center for me to bring it out. Measure 2 to 3 inches here. So here too I'm going to stitch with 1/2 inch till I reach the center. With the head wrap, I'll just bring it out from where I left open here. I'm bringing it out, as you can see. This is the opening that I made for it. So I'm going to go ahead and stop stitch on it, give it nice ironing and put it on for you to see how it look on me. So guys, if you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question pertaining to cutting and sewing, you can join me on my Facebook group, Details to Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Akorede Adenike. Till I see you in my next video, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.